Welcome to the installation, commissioning and operation guide of NQ3 DOL Electromagnetic Starter. Before starting, please disconnect the power supply and wear insulated gloves and protective goggles. M20x1.5 nylon waterproof wire connector, screws of appropriate specifications, hammer, wire strippers, wire crimping pliers, wires of appropriate specifications, wire noses, electric screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, insulating gloves and a multimeter. Before starting installation, please read the instructions carefully, check whether the model of the electromagnetic starter is consistent with the intended working conditions, and select a suitable installation location. Method of installation: loosen the screws connecting the upper cover and the base of the electromagnetic starter, then remove the upper cover and the protective bubble film inside the product. Following the wiring requirements, use a flathead screwdriver and a hammer to remove the knockout holes on both sides of the base, and install the M20x1.5 nylon waterproof wire connector at the corresponding installation holes. Select appropriate screws to install the base at the installation location. Before starting the wiring steps, ensure to select wires with the appropriate cross-sectional area based on the product's current rating, as recommended in the instruction. Use wire strippers to strip 9 to 11 mm of the copper wire, making sure the exposed copper wire is of moderate length. Use wire crimping pliers to crimp the wire nose to the end of the copper wire to ensure the reliability of the connection. For NQ3 incoming and outgoing wires, first pass the wires through the waterproof connector. Tighten the nylon waterproof cable connector. Regarding the contactors 1L1, 3L2, and 5L3 as the primary circuit incoming terminals and the thermal relays 2T1, 4T2, and 6T3 as the primary circuit outgoing terminals. It is critical to ensure that the torque meets the specified value, which ensures the safety and stability of the connection. Then connect the ground wire to the ground screw on the base and tighten them. After completing these steps, the wiring is completed. At the same time, tighten the nut on the waterproof connector so that the rubber inside the waterproof connector wraps the wire to ensure the protection. Before powering on, confirm that the stop and reset buttons on the thermal relay operate smoothly. The current setting value of the thermal relay must be tuned to a scale slightly smaller than the rated working current of the motor. If the thermal relay operates without overload, the current setting value should be slightly increased until the starter can work normally. After powering on, use a multimeter to perform a continuity test on the AC contactor to verify that it is working properly. After debugging is completed, assemble the upper cover and the base and tighten the connecting screws. Refer to the troubleshooting guide if a problem is encountered. We will cover the diagnostics and troubleshooting steps for several common faults, such as the starter not working due to overload. For more information, please visit our official website, or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.